But apart from a sticky G sharp key, the thing has been pretty much bulletproof for 2 years. Hi, welcome to today's vlog. Yes, if you can tell, the reason you haven't really heard from me for the last few days, like all good married couples, Katie and I share everything, including her diseases, so I've ended up with her chest infection. If you haven't already checked out my Sonny Rollins playlist, please do head along to the description and Cambridge Saxophone below. You can get hold of this Cambridge Saxophone Sonny Rollins playlist. I am not even going to be able to last a full vlog, am I, with this chest, but never mind. I wanted just to talk today about my Mark VI. Now, I figured out today, it's almost 2 years since I had this thing overhauled. You can watch more about it in this vlog. But I was also talking prior to that about the thing wearing out and about the problems I was having owning a vintage horn and kind of all the usual things that were going wrong. It was leaking. I was basically going back to my music shop in Cambridge, the repair guys there, once every 2 or 3 months to basically get something else adjusted because it wasn't really working correctly. Now, since I've had the overhaul done, it's barely been in the shop. It went in the shop to get this G key adjusted, which wasn't for the purpose of any repair. It was an alteration to help with my finger. I again outline it more in this vlog. But apart from a sticky G sharp key, the thing has been pretty much bulletproof for 2 years. It hasn't let me down any gigs. There's been no springs falling off. There's been kind of nothing kind of going wrong with it so far. I'm always very mindful of that. But so I've got to say, if you've got a vintage horn and you find yourself in the repair shop very, very frequently, do yourself a favour, throw some serious money at it, get it overhauled. I know in the UK you're looking around about £500 to £600 to get it overhauled, which is a lot of money, but I've got to say, compared to not going into the shop and spending £30 here, £50 here, £100 there, just having it overhauled, and you know, I must have done, let me have a think now, 2 years. What am I averaging? About 60 gigs a year, so that's about 120, 150 gigs. In that time, and never had to go back in the shop again, so it's definitely worth biting the bullet, getting the overhaul done, and yeah, it transforms the horn. It just sounds so much better. I've got to say, it does matter as well. This custom neck has made a difference. I was listening back to some old gig footage on Facebook. If you're not aware of my Facebook page, please head over there, give it a like. Also, don't forget, if you're enjoying this YouTube channel, to hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to talk to you about that in a bit more detail now, actually. This thing. This was really good a few years ago when I got it. Now, it sort of holds the camera. Now, in a few weeks' time, I will be marking 3 years since I started doing my vlog. That was in April 2016. Things have really changed since then. Some things have stayed the same. I hope I've got a lot better at making videos. Certainly, my subscriber count has changed. And if I think about 3 years ago, I had 400 subscribers on YouTube, which was amazing. And if you were one of those original 400, you're amazing. Thank you for sticking with me all the way through it, because there's been some amazing changes going on. And now we're hitting nearly 8,000, which is absolutely incredible. And I'm grateful to every single one of you who's been on that journey. If you're one of the later subscribers, if you've only recently joined, if even you've just pressed the button today, then by all means, please go back, watch the vlog from the beginning, find some interesting things, find some new things, maybe find out how many times I'm repeating myself. And that's kind of what I want you to get to as part of my thing today. Now, I'm going to throw up an online poll in a second, because I'm mindful of where I want to take this channel next, but I want to know what you guys want me to make, because I make these videos for you. So what do you want to see more of? It's abundantly clear that when I'm reviewing equipment, saxophone equipment, those videos do generate more views, but, excuse me, But what I want to know is, what do you guys want to see? So do you want to see the same kind of balance of stuff? Do you want me to pivot more towards just doing reviews? Would you like to see more vlogs? Would you like to see more performances? Now, there's definitely something coming for Patreon on that. I'm going to talk more about that to my Patreon people first. If you're not a Patreon yet and you'd like to be, check it out below. No pressure, no compellingness to do it, but it's kind of taking things to the next step. Would you like to see more how-to videos? Would you like to see more lessons? Answer the poll for me. I really want to get some feedback to where to take this channel as we go into its 4th year, which is quite incredible. And as we're going to break that magical 10,000 subscriber barrier, which is, yeah, it's pretty magical. Is open in the village, or just kind of outside of the village but near our house, and so I'm deciding to have one of my regular business lunches there today. Be interested to see how it goes. Provence, I'm very much looking forward to it. This is not a sponsored thing. They don't even know I'm mentioning it on YouTube. They probably don't even know I'm on YouTube, but I've left the house, spoken to you, and I'm here. That's how quick it is.
Quite interesting lining up on the runway. We're sitting here on the flight deck 35 feet ahead of the nose wheel, so I have to overshoot the runway centre line somewhat.
I'm well aware how fortunate I am to have Duxford and that museum on my doorstep. Let me move you. Anyway, those photos will now be up on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, don't forget to do the DF Blues challenge. Hashtag DF Blues. All you need to do is play me a 12-bar blues. You can use the backing track I was talking about in the vlog where I did the DF Blues challenge, or you can just use your own, or just play me a blues like kind of like Roger did in just all 12 keys. That'd be amazing. I will pick my favourite. I'll go through some of them all. Well, where are we now? 29th today. So Friday's going to be the 1st of February. So Friday, Saturday, I will do the next vlog and I will be talking about those DF Blues challenges. Don't forget, let me know what you want to do on the vlog. Either go back and vote in the poll, or just write a comment, hit me up on Twitter, send me a message via Instagram, all those kind of things. Thank you very much for watching today. Really do appreciate it. Hope you found that information on the Mark VI useful. If you've got a vintage horn, it's definitely worth getting an overhaul done. Don't forget, check out my last vlog here. This is what I was up to at this time last year. That subscribe button is amazing if you hit it, and give us a like if you can. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.